Okay, now I'm doing exercise 6A. We are not doing question number 1. We will not do question number 1. I'm starting with question number 2 we are doing, which is on page number 58. We are not doing question number 1. We will not do question number 1. We will start from question number 2 only, which is on page number 58. Now I'm solving this question. Now read the question first. It says a weaver takes 45 days to weave 3 pashmina shawls. How many days will he take to weave 90 such shawls? Okay, now this is looking very difficult question. Now let's see how it will become easier. Two things are given to us. Let's see which two things are given to us. They have given to us days. Okay, then they have given to us shawls. So just write down here. Shawls is 2 days. Our first step will be to list the things which they have given. Means you will give heading of those two things which they had given, because you know that ratio is between the two things. Two things or more than two things. It could be 3 also, it could be 4 also. But now they had given in this question 2 things. Shawls and day. And these two things they are comparing. You know that ratio is comparing. Okay, that how many shawls the weaver will weave in how many days. Now list it down. 3 shawls the weaver will weave in 45 days. Okay, it is written on the first line only. A weaver takes 45 days to weave 3 pashmina shawls. Okay, so 3 shawls he will weave in 45 days. Secondly, they asked us how many days will he take. It means how many days. It is simply X. Whatever is unknown, you will write X over here. Okay, how many days? How many days means we do not know how many days it will take. So we just write X over here. To weave 90 such shawls. Now 90 such shawls. Now look at the question again. 3 shawls he is weaving in 45 days. Now when I will increase the quantity of shawls, definitely more days will be required or less days will be required? Definitely more days will be required. I am increasing the quantity of shawls. Okay, when it is increasing, you draw the arrow in this manner, upward. Okay, when it is decreasing, you draw the arrow in downward manner. So I am increasing the quantity of shawl. So days will also increase. Definitely. जब 3 shawls he is weaving in 45 days, so 90 shawls he will weave in more than 45 days. So that's why this is also increasing and this is also increasing. So this is direct proportion. I will write more shawls will require more days to weave. Okay, therefore it is direct proportion. Therefore it is direct proportion. Okay, now let's see how we will solve it. Okay, now I am doing it here. You will do it vertically down. After writing that statement that more shawls will require more days to weave, you will write this thing. Now how I am copying, you just see 3 is to 90. Since it is direct proportion, I will copy in the same manner. 3 first you will write, 90 you will write later on. So 3 is to 90. Then you will make proportion sign, which is 4 dot. Now I will copy days. 45 is to X. Okay, I did not change their positions because they are in direct proportion. So 3 is to 90. 4 dots when I will copy another thing or to which I am comparing. I am comparing shawls with number of days it will require to weave. 45 is to X. Now look carefully. This middle term, if you remember when I was explaining it to you, continued proportion, I told you this middle term is known as what? Mean. Okay, mean proportion. And this first to last, this is known as extreme. You will write down this, okay? You will write down first to last proportion is known as extreme, and second to third is known as mean, okay? Now the formula to copy this is product of extreme is equals to product of mean, okay? Product of extreme is equals to product of mean. This is the formula which you have to learn. You have to learn this as well. When I was explaining it to you, continued proportion, you know that this term and this term is known as mean. First and last term is known as extreme. So product of extreme means product means multiplication. So product of extreme means 3 multiplied by X. Okay, product means multiplication. Mean means product of mean. Now this is also multiplication, so is equals to 90 multiplied by 45. I did not do anything, I am just copying it from my sum. Product of extreme means product means multiply, so 3 multiplied by X. Product of mean means again multiplication of mean terms, 90 multiplied by 45. Now I will write 3x is equals to 90 multiplied by 45. Clear? Now I have to take out the value of this x. To take out the value of this x, we will follow the equation rule. This is multiplying with this x. When I will shift it after equal to, this will divide. If you can see, this is multiplying with x. When you will bring it here after equal to, it will divide, because equation says that when it is dividing with variable, on the other hand side when you will take it, you will divide. If it is dividing, on the other hand side when you are taking, it will multiply. Opposite things. Now just reduce the term. 3 ones are, reduce this 90 or 45, both will reduce from 3, but you can reduce any one term because 3 is written just once. So 3 ones are, and 3 threes are 9, 0 will come over here. X is equals to 30 multiplied by 45, multiply it in rougher column. So after multiplying, you will get 1350. Okay, the answer is 1350. Now how you will write down your answer? My final answer is this. So how I will write my answer? I will write my answer also in the form of a statement, because word problem is given to me. So how I will write my answer? I will write in this manner. Hence, 1350 days will be required to weave 90 such shawls. You will write your answer in this form. You will write your answer in the form of statements. I hope this is clear. If still it is not clear to you, feel free to contact me. See you. Goodbye.